Do you want to avoid burnout as a new content creator? Today, I'm going to show you an amazing productivity tool that I use to stay on top of my game and also avoid burnout. As content creators, it is hard to stay on schedule, especially as new content creators. It is hard to not get burnt out, especially because you're unable or you do not know how to schedule and plan your content. Today I'm going to show you the correct and easy way to plan your content for maximum productivity. So let's go. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be using this beautiful app called Xtiles. And over here you can see that I already have the calendar view of my social media calendar. And it's beautiful at first sight, right? All right, so we're going to go ahead and go to all posts just so that you can see what it is. So right here, you have the planned posts. This is for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Okay. We have the platforms over here. We have the name of the post. We have the time that it should be posted, the date, the status, who's responsible if you have team members, and then the content type, the area. Okay, and then you have keywords for your description. And over here, you're going to also have, if you need visuals, do you need a video for it or do you need images for it? All right, so over here, you have the posted template. And guys, look at it. So if I click on this YouTube one that says delivery experience, and I just go ahead and open it up, you can see all the properties, and over here you can add your script. Okay, so if you have a script, you can go over here and add your script, and you can also add another property if there's something that you think about that you want to add. Okay, and the same thing for Instagram behind the scenes, you just click open. Okay, and then you can see the area is product. Is it a product or brand management or individual? You can also add words by yourself, and over here it just shows you the steps on what you need to do, and you can also go over here and write captions. Okay, and just go ahead and write the caption for your Instagram post. Now if you're someone that works with a team or you work individually, you can go in here, plan your content for an entire month, and then you just go in here and post or schedule, which has helped me a lot because I always like to schedule my post. And then over here you can, let's view on this board, view by status. So you can view by the planned one, the posted one, and the draft. And guys, what I love about Xtiles is how you can move. You see how I can move this from planned to posted, and it so if I move meet the chefs from planned to posted, if you go to all posts, you will see that meet the chefs has been moved from planned to posted. You can also move it over here. From here, you can move it, okay, from posted to planned. And that's what I love about this. So another view that you can use is the platform view. So you want to just look at it by platforms. What do I have to post? On Instagram, this is what I have to post, and these are the days that I need to post it, and just go ahead and plan ahead. Do I need visuals? What are the visuals? If you have an image that you need to put, you can go over here, add a file. Okay, so add the image. If you want to add, you can add, let's add a property and let it be image as well. Okay, and then that would be your thumbnails. Okay, so you can do it however you want. And this is TikTok and this is YouTube. So you can also view by the visuals needed. Okay, you can also view that way, and just view it and just do it like that. So it's an amazing content calendar. Now you can also, this is the next one. So you go to the planner, and for example, this is July. What are the goals and objectives, okay, for your content? Now it is important that you always have a goal and objective for your content. What information are you trying to pass across? What is the basis for your content creation this month? And here you put the goals and the objective like I've written here, and then the important days. Go into your calendar, go to Google, look for the important days in July. Okay, for example, July 4th was Independence over here in the US, and you want to just go ahead and click July 4th. Okay, just write it, July 4th, Independence Day. okay, so that you can know that on these days you need to like create posts for that. Okay, now your ideas, you can go ahead and write your ideas here. Post idea. Okay, so this is where you write your post idea. The ideas that you have, you go ahead and put them here. Any idea you have, you go just write it as the ideas keep coming. For example, let's say behind the scenes, I have the idea for behind the scenes, and then just go ahead and write it, because a lot of times as content creators, your ideas can come anywhere. So you can go ahead and open it and just go ahead and write it there. Another idea for post, you just go write it. Okay, and then the references. Okay, you can embed a link here. When you put embed, you can embed any link here. Let's just say, let me embed my link, thetobyrich, okay, .com. You can embed a link here. You can embed any link there, okay, for references. Okay, maybe you got your idea from a website. You can go ahead and add the link over there, which is amazing. And over here, so for example, this is July, this is August, right? So if you want to create for let's say September, you just click these three dots, okay, and duplicate this page. You don't want to duplicate with data, so you duplicate without data and just duplicate it, okay? And you have September here, so just go ahead and go here, all right, and rename this, and this is September. All right, so you have September already, and you just go ahead and fill it in. And guys, one thing I love about Xtiles is how the mobile app is also very, very functional. So you have it on the go, especially for your ideas. Wherever you are and your ideas come in, you can just quickly go in there and type in whatever it is that you remember. And also for your social media calendar, you always want to remember stuff, so it is very, very good and very functional. All right guys, there you have it. If you are a new content creator and you want to avoid burnout, this is what you need. Okay, I'm going to be linking it in the description box. You can go ahead and download it. This social media calendar is free. Okay, so go ahead and download it and use it for maximum productivity to avoid burnout as a content creator. All right guys, thanks for watching, and if this video has been helpful, kindly click the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.